Nuthatches are a type of bird that feed on insects from the bark of trees. Nuthatches have a similar niche to that of the woodpecker, because their habitats are the same, as is their diet. But there is something which makes the nuthatch unique. The niche of the nuthatch bird is walking upside down. Many birds eat insects that live in trees, but being able to walk upside down means that the nuthatch can pull out insects that they can see underneath the bark. Other birds would easily overlook this food source. This way of foraging gives the species of bird its own ecological niche, a unique way of life.